Welcome to our Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular portable countertop dishwashers, the Airmsen and the Silonn. Both of these models are designed for compact living spaces, but they offer different features and price points. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Airmsen portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $359, making it a more expensive option compared to the Silonn countertop dishwasher, which retails for $269. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. In terms of washing programs, the Airmsen offers 5 standard programs plus 2 enhanced functions, while the Silonn provides 6 different wash programs, including an ECO mode. This gives the Silonn a slight edge in versatility, allowing users more options for their dishwashing needs. Finally, let's discuss the drying methods. The Airmsen uses a standard drying method, while the Silonn features a PTC hot air drying system, which may provide more effective drying results. This could be a crucial factor for those who prioritize dry dishes straight out of the dishwasher. In conclusion, both the Airmsen and Silonn portable countertop dishwashers have their unique strengths. The Airmsen is pricier, but offers a range of programs, while the Silonn is more affordable with a slightly better drying system. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.